Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello to One Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install and settings Instagram in Microsoft Store from the how to install and settings Instagram from Microsoft Store on Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the start option. So here we'll click the Microsoft Store. Let's come. So we have to click the Insta or top free apps we will get easily. So here we click get starting download. It requires sometimes. So it has done. So here open. Don't allow. So here it has come from the Facebook, and if we click here continue as the Chandni Ayesha account, so you will get enter. So click here get easily. So in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.